Rattling noise from the exhaust. When accelerating, common causes and solutions. If you're hearing a rattling sound coming from your exhaust system when you accelerate, it can definitely be concerning. Here are some of the most common causes and what you can do about them. Loose heat shields. Heat shields are designed to protect various parts of your car from the intense heat produced by the exhaust system. However, over time these shields can rust, corrode, or simply become loose. When this happens, they can start to rattle, especially during acceleration when vibrations are more intense. Solution: check underneath your car to see if any of the heat shields are loose. If they are, tightening or replacing them might solve the issue. Worn out or broken catalytic converter. The catalytic converter is an essential component of your exhaust system, designed to reduce harmful emissions. When it becomes damaged or deteriorates, it can cause a rattling noise, particularly during acceleration. Solution: have a professional inspect the catalytic converter. If it's damaged, it will likely need replacing. This is often a costly repair, but it is necessary for your vehicle's performance and emissions standards. Faulty exhaust mounts or hangers. Exhaust mounts and hangers hold the exhaust system in place. If they become worn out or break, the exhaust pipes can move excessively and cause a rattling sound. Solution: inspect the mounts and hangers for any visible damage or looseness. Replacing these is usually a straightforward and affordable repair. Loose or damaged muffler. The muffler is another potential culprit. Over time, the internal components of the muffler can break down, causing noise. Additionally, if the muffler is not securely attached, it can create a rattling sound. Solution: examine the muffler for any signs of damage or loose connections. A damaged muffler often needs replacement. Rocks or debris in heat shields or exhaust system. Sometimes small rocks or debris can get lodged in the heat shields or parts of the exhaust system. These can produce a rattling noise when you accelerate. Solution: inspect the heat shields and exhaust system for any foreign objects and remove them carefully. Vibration. Due to engine issues. Issues with the engine can cause excessive vibrations that, in turn, make the exhaust rattle. This could be related to problems such as misfires or engine mounts. Solution: if you suspect that the rattling is due to engine vibrations, it's best to have a comprehensive engine diagnostic done by a professional. While some of these fixes can be done on your own, if you're not comfortable working under your car, it's always a good idea to take it to a trusted mechanic. They can lift the vehicle safely and diagnose and fix the problem without risk. By addressing the issue promptly, you'll not only resolve that annoying rattling sound, but also prevent potential further damage to your exhaust system and other vehicle components. Happy driving, Scott from Portland.